special Falooda or ice cream Falooda or special fruit Falooda. Today we are going to make special Falooda. The ingredients are watermelon, pomegranate. The next ingredient is apple. Pour in some strawberry sauce. Put in the watermelon. Put in the apple. Put in the pomegranate. Put in the ice cream scoop and spread it. Put in another layer of fruits. Put in a layer of ice cream. Two to 3 ml of strawberry sauce as topping. Put 2 to 3 grains of pomegranate into the Falooda. Now the Falooda is nearly ready. This is the final Falooda or ice cream Falooda or special Falooda. If you like the video, please like, comment, share, subscribe and press the notification button.